Hey, in this video we are going to learn how to download Electrum Bitcoin wallet on your Android device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Play Store on your device. Now, click on the search tab which is at the bottom of your screen. On the search bar, type in Electrum and click on search. You will see an icon like this. Now click on install button. Your download may take some time depending on your internet speed. After the download is completed, installation will be automatically started. After the installation is completed, simply tap on open button to use the application. You can also find the application on your home screen. Simply tap on it to use it. So that is how you can download Electrum Bitcoin wallet on your Android device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.